Weldwood Original Spray Adhesive. The easy-to-use cap is comfortable and provides enhanced precision during application. The contact cement formula creates a strong, permanent bond on contact. When fully cured, Weldwood Original Spray Adhesive is high heat and water resistant. Weldwood is ideal for interior and exterior applications and can be used on wood, veneer, metal, plastic, paper, laminate, upholstery, foam, and more. To use, shake the can for 1 to 2 minutes. Hold the can 6 to 8 inches away and spray both substrates. Allow 5 to 10 minutes for surfaces to dry to a tack. Once tacky, align both surfaces and press together firmly. Apply even pressure across the entire surface. Allow 24 hours for Weldwood Original Spray Adhesive to fully cure. Once cured, the adhesive will dry clear. The cured adhesive is also able to be sanded, painted, and stained if necessary. For your next project, use Weldwood Original Spray Adhesive from DAP.